3D lab, and we're going to show you the virtual surgical patient for another patient that we're planning surgery today. So this is the scan. So what happens is two scans are taken, a dental scan and then a CT scan. It goes into this software, and now we're going to show you in the software what are the plannings we've done for this particular patient. Yeah, Dr. Tejas, just tell us.
Yes, so after we've gotten the CT scan, so the basic areas where we're going to place the cuts are marked. So if you can see, we have here a BSSO cut, a leaf foot cut, so your genioplasty cut.
So so the green color is the upper jaw.
Yes.
Move the side. Yeah, so what is happening? The upper jaw is moving forwards by 4 millimeters, and there's a gap here. So it's a counterclockwise movement. So the jaw comes forward and counterclockwise. Why counterclockwise? Because we want to increase this height of the patient's face and also this height of the patient's face. We want to increase the patient's breathing ability, patient's airway, and also the aesthetics. So he's going to get more masculine, more strong with this. All right, now show the lower jaw alone. How many millimeters did you show that? No? So the upper jaw is gone now. We're going to moving on to the lower jaw alone. So 3 cuts in the lower jaw, and you can see 1 cut. This is the side view. So this is the nerve. So we're planning it ahead of the nerve, splitting it by half, and then going and cutting it inside. That's just again at the side of the nerve. So we protect the nerve. And then a similar cut on that side and a cut on the chin. So these are the 3 cuts that we're planning on the lower jaw. This cuts will open the jaw downwards. Because we're doing a counterclockwise on the upper jaw, and we're going to move. What about the bite? Tell them about the bite also.
Yes, sir. So bite, we are planning the bite in such a way that it is more harmonious to the counterclockwise movement that we have generated here, and we have also comparison for different pre and post, and even occlusal comparisons. So this is a comparison of his pre and the surgery what we have planned.
So I think this you can understand the amount of improvement he's going to have in terms of the way he looks, both in the middle third of the face and in the lower third of the face. This is really nice. All right, then also show the software listing that you get before you plan it, the figures.
Yes, sir. So what we have here is called as 3D cephalometrics. So if you see, it's not only the linear movements, we have the angular movements as well. So whatever degree we have given, so the pre values, the post values, and what we have changed, it's all marked in the 3D cephalometrics. So if I press the button here, it shows me the values. Just a second. I think I have to go back to this.
Yeah, so basically what he's trying to say is it's so precise that every millimeter, not millimeter, I think 1/10 of a millimeter or even final measure, you can see all the points he's now gotten there. You want to tell them what those marks are, those points are, the red dots are?
Yes, sir. So these are the points, and the values indicate the amount of changes that we have occurred. So if you can see, there is a part which is light green and there is a part which is dark green. So the light green is the part where the leaf out was done and it is pre-treatment. So compared to that, how the maxilla has been brought forward and how much of counterclockwise movement has been done can be visually seen, as well as you have the numbers to denote the proper linear.
All right. So the purpose of this short video is so that you all understand that these kind of complicated bijaw surgeries that we're doing are done in this kind of a meticulous manner, so that the results are absolutely precise, absolutely perfect, and so they get the exact results. And also, so many of these movements are very complex and very fine, where we have to take care of the anatomical structures, especially the nerves and the tooth roots and everything. And this really helps us big time, virtual surgical planning. Thank you.
Yes, thanks.